Hello everybody, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to change a windshield wiper reservoir on a Peterbilt 388 or 389 2012 and up. So we're going to be changing this reservoir right here. You got to unplug the wire going to the motor, the windshield wiper reservoir motor, and there's 3 bolts that you got to take off in order to take the reservoir itself off. And also don't forget to take off the reservoir windshield wiper reservoir line. Alright, use a 15mm socket. On off. Okay, also you could use a 5/8 socket as well. So guys, the 5/8 did not work, so you gotta stick with 15, but because the socket doesn't reach over and this reservoir have not been changed since the truck has been manufactured, so you gotta be creative. Out with the old, in with the new. That's what the new one looks like, guys. Right, with the screwdriver. So what you gotta do, just plug it in. And that should fit right in there. There he goes. Okay. Now we connect that plug to the motor, just like so. Okay guys, so ignition on, and now you guys can test to see if it works. There you go, it works. Well guys, that was a funny video, and that's how you change a windshield wiper reservoir. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2064 turn right. This particular package
driving attempt on the 6 Series.